quick tip here. One thing I hate with Campus and Schoology both is the number of clicks that it takes to get into anything. So I come to my course, I click up on my courses, and then I can click into my project here or class here, and then I can click into my gradebook. One thing I do is every one of these pages has a different URL here. So what I do is I make a folder. So I go on my bookmarks bar and I right click and I hit folder, grid folder, add a folder, and I call it my Schoology. And then in my Schoology folder I make another folder for my first class. And then this one gets me right to the main page. This one here gets me right to the gradebook. So what I do is I get to the main page, click on the little lock, drag it into Schoology, drag it into CAD, and I drop it in right there. Now when I want to go to that main page, it's right there. When I want to go to my gradebook, I just go there. I don't have to go through 3 clicks to get into my gradebook. I can get into it much quicker. I do the same thing for Campus. I'm in multiple different buildings, so I have a Campus for search. I have a Campus for attendance. I have a Campus for grades. And I'm not going to go into there, but that's my gradebook. So I go to those different websites and I drag them in, and it's just 1 click instead of going through 3 or 4 clicks. And that's a quick tip on how to get rid of the clicks.